1.75 inches. There's the shoulder for it. In from either side, plus a little more. So let's go there to there. 1 pin, 2 pin. Push those in. Push the fence in place. Lock it down. That can be enough on the top to hold this together. I've got a big piece up there now. I need a little more than that. Inch and a quarter, and inch and a little less than an eighth. And I'm going to go mark. There's my 2 marks for that. And this is 1. There's 1. There's 1. In width. So 3/4 means 3/8. There's the middle point. So that might be a little too much. Let's try 3/4 and just see. Precise. There. As much as I can. What are the chances that this fits first try? Pretty slim. That's close. That's what I'm talking about. Now, that is a proper mortise and tenon. Only 15 more to make. Yeah, 2 per leg, 8 legs. Oh, this is gonna be a while. We got a problem. The next tenon that's gonna go in this hole is gonna run into that tenon. So let's fix the problem. Something like that-ish. Always double check because, yeah, you're gonna make mistakes. Let's go to the other side this time. Want it to be right there. Now, when we look inside, now we can see a mitered angle in there ready to capture it. I can put this down and in. And now we have mating mortise and tenons. There we go. And after that, we have one tapered leg. 8 more to go. 7 more to go. 7 more to go. I want this one to be out about there. Oh! Not that. Something around there. There should be a reference edge for me to work off. Let's try this again. Yeah, fine, let's do it that way. Let's just check. Close enough. Seven and 5/8, so 5/16 here. There. And this is a lot of upper body. And that lightweight really feels good. It's almost there. There. Here's how I want the cornered look. Yes, my best 1/2-inch chisel as a can opener. Of course, what else would I use? Happy? Oh, the smell. Just whatever you do, don't kick the bucket. Even on concrete. It's like a nice egg wash.
Is this one going to be easy?
Character in every piece. Now, the astute among you will realize that I stained the table. Oh my. Yes, I did actually stain it. It's not something I normally do, but this time I was making them for someone else. They're friends of mine, and they commissioned me to make the table. So I'm going to make them the way they want them made. And it actually fits well into their kitchen and is into their decor. So I kind of like that. It's kind of nice to do things for other people because then it kind of stretches you in different directions. You kind of get used to doing things your way and in your way. And then it's kind of nice to be able to do them in someone else's way so you can try something different. And it's always a good way to grow. Now, I'm sure there'll be lots of questions about it. If you would like to see the how-to version of the video, we have a whole second channel with the how-to version, as well as there's the earlier video that you can watch how it all started to come together. We'll probably have a video in a few weeks of compiling it all together into one. So if you have any questions, throw those in the comments down below. That does actually help out the channel. So anytime you ask a question, thank you. Or even if you just go down below and hit comment down below, it does help us out. It helps us grow, as well as hitting like, share, subscribing. Thank you. You are a great person if you do that. Now, if you want to be an amazing person and take it one step farther, there are a bunch of names over there. Those people are the patrons on Patreon. Without patrons here, we wouldn't exist. We are completely sponsored by you, the viewers. So thank you for that. If you'd like to find out more about that, there's links to Patreon in the description, or you can click the little join button and become a member here on YouTube. We have special perks for both, and we often do regular things like hangouts and behind-the-scenes cameras. So thank you. On that note, I think I'll do it for now. And until next time, have a wonderful day. So I was about to begin finishing the table, and I pulled the rag out and I dipped it in the can and I put it on the wood and like, oh no, I stained the table!